Today I'm going to use the Pandas library in Python to read in a CSV file. So I have an empty project right here, Python reads CSV. Let's go ahead and import our package called Pandas as PD. Now we need to do a pip install, but I have PyCharm, so all I have to do is install package Pandas. This is going to take a minute or two. You can see down here it says installing package Pandas. I'm going to pause the video while that's doing that. All right, so we're all finished. It says package installed successfully. This was red for a little bit because we still have to do some indexing. It's done now. But now we can use Pandas to read in our CSV file. I'm going to need a CSV file. Let's go ahead and grab one. All right, so I'll bring my downloads over here. I have this little data file. It's pretty simple. And I'm going to drag it right into the project, refactor. That way we don't have to go hunting around for files or using relative file paths. It's going to be on the same level as my program. So now I could do df, that's the typical way of saying data frame, and then PD for our pandas. I'll say read CSV and then just put the file name. And you'd have to put a relative path in there if you had to go up a directory or down a directory. You got the idea. But we're right here on the same level. So now let's go ahead and print that information out. See what we got. We have print. I'll say df. I'm going to hit the run button. And we do have the data. This is what was in the file. But we got a warning. It says, deprecation warning. We're going to have to start using Pyarrow with Pandas. Now, we're not using it now, and it does take up some space, but maybe we'll play it safe and also import Pyarrow. Pyarrow. And I'll just say as PA. I'm not going to use it, but let's see if the error goes away. Install package Pyarrow. All right, so it looks like we have Pyarrow installed, packages installed successfully. Let's run this again. Oh, look at that. Our deprecation warning went away. So that's kind of nice to know. Now you could read up on Pandas data frames, but if you're just wanting to get up and running, you can grab the rows from the data frame. Here, I'll just make a copy and then print this out. Say print rows, and now you got a list of rows. Now you're back in old Python territory. Sweet. There we go. So we have the one from the DF, and then you have the one from copied over into rows.